I'd like to introduce you to the Sunray 109 Sport. At just 9 feet long and weighing in at only 1,280 pounds, it might seem like nothing more than just a rolling bed on wheels, but I assure you it is full of the features you're used to on larger trailers, such as heat and air conditioning to keep you comfortable. It even has a portable speaker to keep you entertained. And on the outside, you will see it does have an awning, and it even comes with an outdoor shower. But I assure you, that's not it. Follow me to the back. I want to show you where this trailer really shines. So at the back here, you're going to see this huge door. And underneath that door is a full-size kitchen equipped with microwave, fridge, sink, even a cooktop, some storage space up top. Guys, it doesn't get any more equipped than this in a trailer this size. Guys, this trailer can be yours for only $50 a week. So if you're looking for a trailer like this, or perhaps you're looking for something a little larger, we do have a lot of trailers in stock. Come on down to our 301 Highway 12 location in Steinbach, or come see us at 33 Ems Road in Winnipeg and see if we can help you find the perfect trailer.